Okay, I think that's, yeah, that's Cone Peak. Man, that thing is made out of marble. Hey, good morning. We're here at Kirk Creek Campground, the raccoon campground of the Pacific Coast, Highway 1. And we are headed to Cone Peak today. And I think it's about a 25-mile Lollipop type loop. And we will gain about 7,500 feet of elevation. I'll double check that. All right, Cone Peak, here we come. I'm assuming that is Cone Peak and there's snow up there. There is some water flowing down there. Look at this. California carpet. Thank you, Jesse. Still smells burnt. Oh my gosh, look at that. Sign. What is this? Stone Creek Trail. We're going. Yet another stream crossing, and the trail is just like been blown out from the massive storm we had. Man, this is costing me a lot of time. But I think I'm back on it now. God, you wouldn't know though. Christ. Okay. I saw Karen. Yeah, where am I now? What the hell? Alright, camera off. And All Trails is telling me to go straight up this hill. That can't be right. Alright, I'm gonna try one more thing. Well, I'm having to build a kind of a rock bridge to get across. This must be the only place the path is. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this today. I'm running out of time. Unless I plan on staying up here tonight, which I'm not 100% sure that's a great idea. Anyhow, onward with the rock building. Man, this is a trail. Another crossing. The trail's up there. All right. Yeah, this is not doable. All right, I'm 3 hours and 10 minutes in. I'm headed back. There's just no way. I mean, if I went up, I'd have to stay up there at this point, and I don't really want to do that. I'll figure out another plan. Another time, Cone Peak. I'm flexible, but not happy about it. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there is a ladybug explosion happening here. Oh my god, I didn't even realize it on the way up. I just want to say, I haven't seen a single person all day. Well, in conclusion, that was not the adventure I planned. Snow Cone Peak was not obtainable, at least in any reasonable amount of time in one day. I was up to my neck in bushwhacking, rivers, and snapped redwood trees. Didn't see anything dangerous, except maybe a raccoon or two. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.